So you might be trying to figure out how you can use your PlayStation Portal without a PlayStation 5. Now, doing this is actually fairly easy. It doesn't really take too much time, but you will have to be updated on the most recent version of your, PlayStation software. So make your way over to your settings app right here, click on settings, and you want to see if there's a system update. So you can tap on system right here. You can tap on system software, and if there is an update available, you should be able to then go ahead and see it, hopefully. So tap onto here, tap onto the update, and see if there's an update available, and you can click update. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and go back. So tap on the back button right here, and what we want to do is we want to come back to our home screen. So when we come back to our home screen, right, if we click on home, you'll see this option right here. Now there's the option of connecting to your PlayStation 5, but now we don't need a PlayStation 5 to play games. If you swipe to the side, there's now this, PlayStation Plus, catalog that you can basically choose from. So now what we can do is we can go through and we can basically go ahead and click on this, and this will allow us to go ahead and start to play PlayStation Plus games without actually owning a PlayStation 5. So now this is something that we can actually do, and it is actually a really, really cool, convenient thing. So there's a lot of games you can choose from within PlayStation Plus. So you can kind of scroll through here and choose whichever game is available for you and which one you like. But that's basically that. You can open up a game, play it from there. That's essentially how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.